In front of me is OnePlus 15R, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Home Screen, Lock Screen and Style. Now scroll all the way down to Access Icons section. And to resize them, scroll again and operate this slider under Icon. You can check out Preview at the top. So when I do that, and hit Apply to save my changes, I can see that size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!